So while I had these metering rods out, I went ahead and cleaned them up and polished them. It's possible that they were sticking, so I'm going to put them back in the carburetor and start the engine up and see if it acts any different. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is do the old switcheroo and put the Chevelle from the other side over to this side, and this car goes over on the other side. And the Mustang, you can see there's empty space behind me. That's over in storage, covered up and tucked away for the winter. Oh, well, boy, you can really hear that exhaust leak. I was watching the video of a car going in there, and so now that it's over on the other side, I can do what I got to do. But so the Chevelle's over here now, and that's probably where it's going to occupy this winter, and anything I need to do that I can do over here. It's not really going to make a mess. And so I guess we'll call this a video for now. Comment if you think it's too long, too short, you want me to stretch them out more or not. I don't know. I think they get boring if they get too long. Please like and subscribe if you want. If you don't, it's no big deal, but it doesn't cost you anything, and it helps me out and encourages me. Doing this more or less, though, so my kids, grandchildren, whatever, maybe someday they'll stumble across these and go, holy cow, that's my grandfather doing that stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. We're going to continue on, see if we can't get a carburetor for that car, and get exhaust gaskets and actually header gaskets on the way. So thanks for watching.